No programmed crisis braking limits the 2018 Buick Encore's allure. Government and free analyzers haven't yet evaluated the 2019 Buick Encore for security. Despite the fact that it's new this year, the current year's Encore is indistinguishable to last year's. We can unhesitatingly continue those scores. Government analyzers give the Encore a 5-star in general score, including 4 stars for rollover crash security. IIHS rates the Encore's crash security as for the most part great aside from traveler-side little effect impacts, where it earned a satisfactory rating.Those scores would procure the Encore a 6 on our scale, yet we take a point back for no programmed crisis braking. It gains a 5. The Encore is outfitted with the majority of the required security gear, for example, a rear-view camera and airbags. On the choices list are path flight admonitions, raise cross-activity cautions, forward crash alerts, and blindside screens.